Hello everyone, it's Chi here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to support my channel. I need lots of subscribers. Okay, so I'm gonna do a grocery haul today because I see a lot of like bigger people do grocery hauls, right? So I'm gonna do like my grocery haul as a, I don't know, like a 50 kilo person that is not overweight, who is actually at their ideal weight. I think I'm anywhere between 50 and 52. I haven't weighed myself for a little bit, but the last was 52 kilos. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what I bought for, you know, at the shops today for the week. Okay, so, you know, just doing this because just want you to see the difference between, say, someone who goes to the shops that's a massive obese person as opposed to someone who goes to the shops as a skinny mini like me, yeah? Okay. All right, let's see. I'll tell you what I got. I got a bag of green grapes, 2 apples, some bananas, so fruit and vegetables, yeah, unlike some people. All right, so we've got chicken wings. I've got 2 of these. So it's real meat on the bone, yeah. And then I've got a packet of 4 quarter chops on the bone. Now 4 quarter chops have quite a bit of fat on them, but you can eat fat, and you can eat fat in meat. All right. It gives it, the fat actually gives it a lot of flavour. Right. I got a loaf of stone baked, what is it, like bread. It's a sourdough bread. Now, if you're going to go for bread, sourdough is probably one of the best ones you can buy because it actually is a low GI. Okay, so low GI food. This one's like stone baked, so literally takes forever to make. Yeah, it tastes amazing. Got some toothpaste. Okay, here we go. 2 Lebanese Lebanese cucumbers. So again, we've got fruits and vegetables, yeah. Onions. 2 of these cherry tomato packets. Got some hair dye. 2 packets of hair dye. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is so good for you. It's probably one of the best carbs you can buy and eat. Okay, one of the longest standing populations that live to the longest age in the world, their main diet, the basis of their main diet is sweet potato. Right? It's really good for you. So if you're going to go for carbs, go for the sweet potato. Okay, what else we got in here? Right, so I've got fish sauce because I use that. You know, I'm Vietnamese, so obviously I've run out. So I've actually bought 4 of these. In fact, what's happened is the supermarkets are so low on stock at the moment because of COVID that I end up buying 4 of these little bottles of fish sauce just in case I run out and there's nothing left. I got honey. Now honey's really good for you. Okay, this is 100% honey. I've got 2 of these large ones because honey lasts forever and it's good for COVID if you happen to be stuck for, I don't know, with food, I guess, because it lasts forever. I've got 2 jars of raspberry jam, and I quite like the the jar on this with the, I don't know, the check top, whatever. Anyway, again, there's not a lot of stock left. There was no, the normal brands were not available anyway because they're all sold out. So I've got 2 of those. I got some chili sauce. Now chili sauce is good for losing weight because it increases your metabolism. Yeah, chili's good. I also got Nutella. Now Nutella's actually junk food, okay? It's got so much sugar in it that it's not good for you. But I bought what was left, and I bought 4 of these. But I don't really eat this a lot. Yeah. I mean, if you think Nutella is good for you, it's not. It's full of sugar. But you know. Okay, what else we got here? Anything else? I've got another. Oh yeah. Okay. And I got a lettuce, so I can have like a salad or whatever. Yeah. Got a lettuce. All right. So you can see there, amongst all the food that I bought, just basically most of it is whole foods. Yeah, it's not processed food. I don't eat a lot of processed food. I do buy it, but you know, generally I do buy processed food, but I find that even if I buy it, it just kind of gets left in the cupboard. I don't really eat it a lot. Yeah, chips and things like that, like powdered chips, I do buy them and then I just don't eat them. I just eat a little bit and then I stick the packet back into the cupboard and it just stays there for like almost forever. And yeah, so that kind of grocery haul is normal for me. Like this stuff like this, I mean, it's jam, but it lasts me quite a while. I don't really eat a lot of it, you know, maybe once in a blue moon or whatever. But it stays fresh for quite a while. So I just store that and have it later or whatever. But yeah, that's my grocery haul. I also went to Mum's. Oh, hang on, there's more. I also went to Mum's and Mum gave me 2 mangoes. So again, more whole foods here. And she gave me like a white nectarine and some really nice rice. Okay, so that's my haul. And you don't see a lot of, you know, processed food here, except for maybe the Nutella. Yeah, I mean the sauce, I mean obviously the sauce is going to be processed, but you know, you only use a little bit of sauce whenever you're cooking a stir fry or something, right? But other than that, you don't really see me buying heap of junk. I did buy though, I did stick it in the fridge before. I did buy a Sara Lee chocolate cake. It's a frozen one. So I would probably divide that into 4 and I'll probably have that whenever, yeah? So it's like just a plain chocolate cake. So I do eat processed food, and I do enjoy it, but I mean, it's just whenever the mood strikes. But the majority of your grocery haul should be fruits and vegetables. Bread should be bread that's pretty good for you. Don't buy the crap. And meat. Buy real meat. Don't buy the processed stuff. Yeah, I mean, I have to say, I do buy some of the processed meat, but it's not a hell of a lot. You know, sometimes I buy a bit of salami, and sometimes I buy a bit of ham, yeah? But other than that, there's not a lot of processed stuff in my grocery hauls, you know? I do tend to just go buy all the fresh stuff. And I don't even eat much of frozen stuff either. I don't like it. Like, frozen vegetables and all that, I find, besides maybe, I don't really eat it, but if I did buy it, it stays in the freezer for ages. Like frozen corn maybe, and maybe peas. But I don't buy the mixed up vegetables or anything like that because I find that it's a little bit too soggy when I cook it. Yeah, you need to eat, like with vegetables, you need to eat that fresh. as fresh as possible. Yeah. Yeah, so there you go. Grocery haul from like a normal person that doesn't need to lose weight, but also, you know, is like 50 to 52 kilos, and that's how you maintain it, because you eat healthy. You just eat stuff that you're supposed to eat, which is mainly fruits and vegetables and meat that is like normal meat, not processed meat. Okay, see you next time in the next video. Bye.